Hi guys, we're going to be doing a bracelet. It's a beaded bracelet but with cord, and we're going to be using this cord right here. I got it on Amazon, and we're going to have one string, 12 inches, and we're going to be put it right there like so, and we're going to be using a 36-inch cord. I have two of them over here, and a 10 inches cord. We're going to be using the agate bead that came in the January 2023 Bargain Bebop, and we are going to be using souls sea beads in orange, smoky orange color. And we're gonna start by putting all the beads to the cord. So you made two loops at the end, one from the bottom, put this one through it on the top, bring this one up, that one up, and then pull. And now you have your first knot. One to the top. Put it to the bottom, but having this one inside. Pull it, and you have your first knot, the second knot. Then it's gonna be backward. The left on top, the right to the bottom, but inside of the loop. And there you go. You have your three knots. Now we're going to be adding the CB, and you have to we are going to be using some A/0 beads. You put the A/0 bead through the cord, and you're going to be putting 5 on each side. On this side, and now we have to we have to put 5 on the other side. One, 2, 'Turn it a little more. So you can have a little point like that. and it will be easier to go through. So we have 3, 4, and 5. And now that we have 5, we put 1 there. I'm gonna have 6 on each side. Make sure that the beads are all the way there at the end. You put the right side to here, the left side underneath, but in between the other one, and then you just tie it. And you put the right side to the other side, the right side in between, and then you pull. So there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's 7 on each side. And then that's the 2. And then you put the right side on top, the left side underneath, and then you pull. And that's 3. And then you're gonna repeat one more time. And it's gonna be 7 on each side. All the way to the end. Make sure you have it straight. And you put the right side on the top, the left side, you have to put it to the bottom. Make sure all the beads are in there. So you have on top, and then this one to the bottom, but in between. And this one has to be in between this one, underneath this one too. So now that they cross, you go all the way to the end. You put it, and that's 1. Then you do the left side on the top, the right side underneath where they both in between, but one underneath and one on top. And then you have your second one, and then you do the same thing but to the right. Like so. And you have your 3. And you're going to continue doing it until you reach all of them or the size that you want your bracelet. And I'm gonna finish it and I'll be right back. So we finished over here, and at the end we did the 3 knot that we did over here, and now we have to cut it and burn the end to glue them. I did use a lot of string, so we can probably do 20 or 15-inch string on each side. I thought I was gonna use all of them, but actually with 8 it was okay. So let's continue. We're going to cut the end over here. Sorry for the background, it's raining. Okay. Now we're gonna do this time. Do not throw away the excess. You can use this for another project. We do the same thing at the other end. It will be like that. Beautiful. Here we're going to be finishing the bracelet. Put it like so, and with a 10-inch cord, we're gonna just even it out, tie it a regular knot, making sure that we keep the 2 ends as even as we can. Tie the knot. Then with your right hand side, you put it like that. Then the other side, you bring it to the bottom, making sure it's in between the loop. And then this one is underneath the loop. And that is our first knot. Then you're gonna do the opposite. Left hand side to the top, right hand side to the bottom, making sure this one is going underneath and this one goes on top. That's 2. And we're gonna continue doing that until you decide you're finished. I like to do between 5 and 8. That's 2. And this is a knot. Now we can just cut the end. Burn it. Use it as glue. And the other side. Be careful you don't burn yourself. And now close it. And I'm going to have them cut even. I don't like a lot of the string at the end, but you can just do it, make it as long or as short as you want. We'll put it through it, then we tie the end. We go all the way to the end because I left too much cord. So I do that. Bring the end. And here we have. You can make a knot here at the end too. Like so. You can just bring it all the way to the end. That's so. And then make the same thing on the other side. Tag me if you make it for yourself. Thank you.
Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye.